Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set an alarm on your Philips PFS6939 TV. If you want to set up a wake-up alarm on your TV, you just have to press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick menu, and here open the sunrise alarm. Then to set an alarm, let's first adjust the backdrop theme. So if you go to the backdrop theme, you can change the background for your alarm. Just select anything that you like in here. And after selecting one of the available options, we can also change the music. Here we have also about 15 different tracks. Just select the one that you like. Now we can also adjust the volume of the music by going to switch on volume and adjusting this slider to either the right to increase the music volume or to the left to decrease it. We can also adjust the weather location and units in weather menu. Here we have to select an area, so the country and the town. We don't have all the towns for each country, but we have the biggest ones. So just select the closest big town to you in your country. And in unit we can select either imperial or metric. And here we can check the preview of an alarm so that you get to know what it looks like. And to set an alarm, go to the first option and then select the position. Select, for example, alarm 1. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right, then select the time when the alarm has to be set off, and then the repeat days. So here we can check the days when we want the alarm to be active. And right now the alarm is set up. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.